Although everyone knows the health risks associated with sun exposure, most people don't protect themselves properly when they're sunbathing. Protecting your skin from ultraviolet rays is necessary in order to prevent premature aging and decrease your chances of developing skin cancer. In many cases, people prefer not to wear sunscreen because of its potential health risks. So, many manufacturers have reformulated their products to include natural mineral and plant-based ingredients instead of using harmful chemicals. If the only reason you don't wear sunscreen is because of the price, then you're going to love today's video where we teach you how to make your own sunscreen at home. To make this homemade sunscreen, you'll need 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of beeswax, 5 drops of an essential oil of your choice. Lavender is a great choice. 3 tablespoons of zinc oxide powder, which can be found in pharmacies and online stores, but don't use the nano kind. The main ingredient in this homemade sunscreen is zinc oxide, a chemical compound of mineral origin found in several sunscreens and acne and rash treatments. Its main advantage is its ability to protect our skin from both UVA and UVB rays. It's also well tolerated by all skin types, rarely causing any kind of irritation. Many dermatologists recommend sunscreens made with this ingredient for children. By creating a physical barrier against the sun's rays, it begins to protect almost as soon as it's applied. Unlike many commercial sunscreens, the ingredients included in the recipe have an SPF protection factor ranging from 4 to 20. Now that you know some of the ingredients, here's how to make it. Put the coconut oil, olive oil, and beeswax into a glass bowl. Melt this mixture in a bain-marie, water bath, and stir it constantly until it reaches a uniform liquid consistency. Then remove it from the heat and add the essential oil. Mix in the zinc oxide and stir well. Avoid inhaling this powder while handling it in its pure form. The best way to do it is while wearing a mask. Close the glass container and let it sit for 24 hours. After this time is up, it's ready to use. Store the container in a cool, well-ventilated area. This recipe, while it does protect your skin from the sun's rays, doesn't have a high protection factor compared to commercial products. So if you decide to use this recipe in your day-to-day life, remember to use common sense and be careful to only sunbathe at safe times. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.